Cryptocurrency is a lot like traditional currency, which means you can spend, transfer, mine, purchase, sell, or swap it. Now, with the help of a crypto wallet, it has even better. You can now send, receive, and store your coins. It's almost impossible to give 100% assurance that you won't lose some of your crypto holdings at some point, but with a crypto wallet, the risk of running at a loss is significantly reduced. There are a plethora of crypto wallets online, some more secure and flexible than the others. In this video, we will be providing you with the 7 best crypto wallets you can consider. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is a beginner-friendly crypto wallet with a powerful platform for trading. Coinbase Pro. The platform has market and limit order capabilities, offering extremely low fees and expenses. It has a remarkable 24/7 chat and phone support system. Coinbase has proven to be a trusted crypto space with a robust desktop and mobile app. So if you are searching for a fast and straightforward crypto wallet to buy, sell, or hold your coins, then Coinbase is a good choice. It is downloadable on the Apple and Play Store with an app size of 58 megabytes. 2. Kraken. Kraken offers financial stability by maintaining total reserves and the highest legal compliance standards. With this wallet, buying and selling assets is as fast as a single tap. It also has an excellent support service accessible through live chat. And it automatically checks all addresses for any mistake, ensuring a comprehensive security approach. Available for iOS and Android device users and can be downloaded on the Apple and Play Store with an app size of 32 megabytes. 3. Mycelium. Mycelium is regarded as the best mobile crypto wallet app, compatible with Android and iOS devices with an app size of 23 megabytes. It's a strict Bitcoin app that supports Ethereum and many other stable coins. Mycelium is user-friendly, allowing you to run transactions offline, with lots of do-it-yourself help resources. You also get complete control over your money, and it assures you of 100% privacy. It is an excellent option for a mobile crypto wallet compatible with Trezor and Ledger. 4. Exodus. Exodus, which used to be desktop only, has now given Android and iOS device users a chance to be in charge of their digital assets while on the move. It still offers a secure and reliable platform for trading, storing, or managing crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc. Exodus has proven to be one of the best crypto wallets, though it is new to the crypto wallet market. Users still find it easy to use the Exodus wallet, a rare cryptocurrency attribute. It is available on the Apple and Play Store with an app size of 32 megabytes. 5. Binance. Binance is another one of the best crypto wallets. It is compatible with multiple devices, giving you a shot at trading with ease and convenience. Binance provides you with news and updates from leading cryptocurrency exchanges with 24/7 support services to work you through your challenges. Fascinating, right? 6. Electrum. Another wallet on our list of best crypto wallets is Electrum. It is one of the few wallets that deal exclusively in Bitcoin. And it is available on different platforms like Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux. It is swift, reliable, stable, and one of the best BTC wallets for users seeking security, ease, and convenience. It also offers a beginner-friendly, easy-to-use, and easy-to-set-up feature so you can integrate it seamlessly with other hardware wallets. This fantastic app can be gotten on the Play Store or your Apple Store with an app size of 22 megabytes. 7. Xango. Xango is one of the best crypto wallets that is non-custodial and keyless. It is one of the most straightforward, recoverable, and secure crypto wallets. It also has many excellent features allowing you to store, buy, trade, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Xango has over 70 crypto assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can also earn up to 4% APY interest on your Bitcoin. You also get to choose from 3 different network fees: economy, regular and fast, applicable for BTC, ERC20, and ETH. This amazing crypto wallet is worth being mentioned among the best crypto wallets, and you can get it on the Apple and Play Store with an app size of 34 megabytes. There you go, the 7 best crypto wallets for cryptocurrency. You may still do your own research to be sure you pick the right wallet to meet your needs. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.